Open the ArcMap program on your computer. While waiting for ArcMap to open, you can see the coordinates of the map to be registered. Banding area coordinates are located between 160 degrees to 170 degrees 30 minutes. Open Peta UTM Indonesia on Media Browser. This UTM map is a reference to the UTM coordinate system to be used. It turns out banding with a location on the island of Java, including the southern region, 48S. The ArcMap program has opened, and since it will open a new project, then select Blank Map. If in the ArcMap window you do not appear Table of Content, can open in the Windows menu Table of Content. Then we set the coordinate system by right-clicking on the layers, next click Properties, next click Coordinate System. First, we click Geographic Coordinate System, next click World, next click WGS 1984, next click Add to Favorite. Second, we click Projected Coordinate System, next click UTM, next click WGS 1984, next click Southern Hemisphere, next click WGS, Zone 48. Select Geographic if using degree minute second, or Projected Coordinates if you want UTM coordinates. Set Coordinates, right-click Layers. Next to Properties. Next to General. Change the display to DMS, Geographic, or Meter, UTM. Input map.jpg by clicking Add Data. Next, to connect to folder to select the map storage location. Next, to select the map to open. Map open, can zoom in with scroll mouse. Click the full extent icon, Earth image, to open the full screen view of the map. We point to the four corners of the map, intersection of latitude and longitude, to start register or georeferencing. Then select the Add Control Point icon. To bring it up, select Customize menu. Next to Toolbars. Next to Georeferencing. Right at the intersection of latitude lines and longitude, left-click, then right-click mouse. First choice, input X and Y for UTM, or input DMS of long and lat for DMS. Enter the coordinates written on the map. Enter the coordinates written on the map as the previous way. Do also for the bottom end of the map, up to 4 points registered. We can check the results of the plot to 4 points, whether it is precise or shifted. On the Georeferencing menu, click View Link Table. Make sure residual X and residual Y values are no more than -1. If residual X and residual Y values greater than -1, indicating high error values. In order for low error values, copy-paste the values X and Y source in accordance with latitude and longitude line values. Then click Georeferencing and Georeferencing Update-Rectify. Rename and make sure the .tif save. Next, click Add Data and Map Input. TIFs that have been registered automatically have coordinates.